Yeah, this is David Talbot. I'm CTO of WorkMovr. And let's talk about data capture by parsing documents. And the first question, why are we doing this? Well, most information was originally in some computer somewhere, and often we get the output in unstructured paper, PDF, or image format. And if we can do automated data capture, we can save countless hours of manual transcription. And sometimes the task will be pretty much impractical if you couldn't do it automatically. Okay, so we put quite a lot of effort into the AI approach, and specifically a company called Butler AI, which is absolutely designed for this purpose. And we were really disappointed, and we spent a lot of time with the folks from Butler AI. And if you had absolutely perfect documents that were always exactly the same format, I'm sure it'd be great. But for varied formats that we had, it was not practical. It was not useful. So we did basic programming, and it seemed to work okay, and it wasn't very difficult either. Okay, so let's have a few examples. So here's like a regular bank statement, comes in a PDF like this. And so PDF's obviously a little bit easier, but we did multiple banks with different formats, and they came out all okay. So this is the PDF, this is the structured data that comes out, which we usually put into Caspio, but we just put this in Excel to show. Okay. Oftentimes, you just get a picture, okay? So you can't scan the PDF. So we have a little snippet of OCR, optical character recognition code, that we put in the program. Here's an original picture. You can see not very good picture, but the data comes out okay. Okay. Here's an example, and this was one of the first ones we did with Butler AI, and they just couldn't manage it. So relatively complicated parsing of medical conditions. And what was difficult for the AI approach, but was pretty simple for us in regular old programming, was if you have more of, multiple rows with one or more, but not a fixed number of rows. So we found this was not possible with the AI approach, but was with your basic program. Okay. And then we had, you might have seen this before, our data page catalog here. We needed to go through and screen scrape out of Caspio Bridge. And so we used a company's piece of software, which was free from Selenium. And what we did, we went through Caspio Bridge and did screen scraping. You can use this for social media screens, Craigslist, those sorts of things, and comes out with structured data. So overall, the basic approach with, traditional programming works great. I'm sure AI in another couple of years will be perfect, but right now it's back to basics, and we're very, very happy to share our code with the Caspio family, because I think this is often something that can save you a lot of time and effort. So thanks very much then. Bye-bye.